welcome you all to Visa Talks by Victor. Today we have an accomplished and a talented guest with us who is a licensed immigration advisor and an admitted barrister with New Zealand High Court. So, Mr. Jora, how do you feel to be here on this show today?
It's a privilege to be here on this show because wherein I can clarify, answer the queries people have who are interested in coming over to New Zealand for studies and final settlement here in this country.
Okay, wonderful. So it's a follow-up video on a previous discussion, and we have been receiving a lot of queries on people who have done master that how can they get PR in New Zealand?
Those people who've done the masters in their home country, when they want to come here, they'll get 5 points provided that their master's degree has been assessed by New Zealand Qualifications Authority, which is referred to as International Qualification Assessment. And if in that they find that this master's degree which they've done in their home country is equivalent to our master's, that gives them 5 points. And then they need 1 year job experience to get another additional point. So in all, they require 6 points to be able to qualify for their residence in New Zealand.
Great to hear that. And we look forward to your participation and your knowledge sharing in our upcoming videos. So thank you for being on the show today.
Thank you.